Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your Telegram blocked list. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, tap on the privacy and security option. At the top of the list, you will see the blocked users option. Tap on it. You can now see all the users that you have blocked on Telegram. And this is how you can see your Telegram blocked list.
Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.